So do you work with OEMs in order to get permission and get design schedules, design information that enables you to provide the service that you are doing, or are you having to reverse engineer everything yourself?
Well, let's just be clear here. We don't reverse engineer anything ourselves. We obviously provide troubleshooting equipment, provide schematic learning systems for our customers to use to keep their assets going, to keep their infrastructure equipment going. Now, we do work with OEMs, with those that have understood what I've just mentioned, the value of providing services. One company in the rail sector in Germany, after watching our videos on YouTube and then noticing the company that I mentioned earlier on, Metro São Paulo, being one of our customers, when we had a meeting with them, one of the gentlemen there mentioned that, I saw, on your advertising that you work with Metro São Paulo, and then I realized why they stopped sending products here to Germany for maintenance and repair, because they are doing everything in-house. And they obviously wanted to invest in our systems to provide the service, to offer the service to those organizations that didn't want to do the work themselves. So we work with OEMs who want to change perhaps their their brand's image, and they also want to offer the service. In many cases, projects get put to one side, or they become obsolete because acquisitions, these big organizations, big OEMs, they acquire different organizations, different companies, and the team who led that project eventually, that expertise, that knowledge gets lost. However, they still need to maintain and keep a range of systems working. So they invest in our systems so that they can recreate schematics, for instance, and they can offer the work themselves, and they can try and reproduce the PCBs as well. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that makes perfect sense. Yes, it can become another revenue stream for the OEMs, and it can be an effective way for the users to keep their equipment going and up to date.